Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing high plank, knees to elbows, knees to nose, and knees to opposite elbows. When we do this, we always want to make sure that our foundation is super solid. So that's our high plank. Shoulders, elbows, and wrists are all going to be stacked in one straight line. Fingers are going to be spread to really grip the earth, and we are going to push the ground away to get our upper back engaged. It's as if we're pressing our upper back against the wall. We're going to squeeze our abs, we're going to squeeze our glutes, we're going to squeeze our quads. This enables us to get into a really great, solid high plank position. From here, we are going to bring a knee towards elbow or tricep on the same side, followed by the knee to the elbow or tricep on the other side. So that's knee to same elbow, and then there's knee to nose. So the knee is just going to come in towards the midline. You can even bring your nose down towards your knee if you'd like. And then knee to opposite elbow is just kind of cross your body. Make sure your weight doesn't shift too much into one side or the other. You want the weight evenly distributed through each of your shoulders as you do those. So for more amazing shoulder and core building exercises like that, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.